Alright guys, so we finished poking the holes into the yard. We finished the aeration. So at this point in time, what we will be doing is we're gonna put some coal manure and compost and prepare the bed soil right before the seeding process and have everything ready. Having a little bit of trouble right now with manure or compost. It's kind of pretty much wet, so it kind of sticks to the compost spreader in a bad way. It's not spreading very well. There's a little thin layer that is going down, but there's a lot that still sticks to the compost spreader. Let's put it that way. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We have literally about 20 minutes of daylight, and then probably another 20-25 minutes of residual light. I already armed myself with an LED lamp. I might be using it for the seating because this is gonna be kind of like a late project kind of thing. So we had a kind of a big trouble. Like I said before, we're having a lot of issues with compost being like very wet. So what we're doing right now, and my wife is helping me out, is we're sifting. Right there, we're sifting everything. And once it's sifted, we believe that we'll be able to spread it better. The other thing, my back started hurting again from the injury I had like 3 or 4 years ago, and so bad so that I had to stop at some point. And my wife, you know, so sweet, pitched in and started helping me out, putting it down. So I'm gonna try to help here. Hopefully I'm useful and I can do some. So this is what we're doing right now. She's sifting all the, what she calls the balls or clumps that comes out of the spreader. So I'm putting the bag, those bags right there, I'm putting them over here on the spreader and I'm spreading it over. Then when I come back, if I have any of the clumps, I just put them over there and she sifts them, and then we're gonna reuse that because even essentially it's compost. That's all what it is. So essentially it's compost and that's it. And my son, of course, he's helping by talking gibberish right there and just helping us, doing some company to the whole endeavor. So as you can see, there's a lot to do. So I'm thinking we will probably be able to cover it if we keep pushing it for another hour. But that's it for today. We're gonna call it a day, continue tomorrow, and tomorrow we're gonna probably do pre-emergent application, which is tenacity. And right after that, because it's gonna be a quick application all over the yard, we're gonna put down the seed and set up the water timing, and that's it. Alright guys, as you can see, the yard is done. We covered everything that we could. There are a few spots that will be taken care. My wife is helping out, sifting that manure and compost, and as of right now I'm gonna get ready to put the tenacity down. So I'm gonna prepare the sprayer tank, mix the tenacity with the water with the proper ratio and make sure that that is ready to go, and we're gonna start spraying. Okay, new seedings, yes, new seedings, new lawn establishment. Apply tenacity at 5 to 8 fluid ounces per acre. So how many square feet has 1 acre? This is what comes in the box. There you go. One thing I noticed while seeding is that the process can be fast until you get to the edges, and here's why. You want to spread the seed by hand at the edges to make sure that the edge line, once it germinates and establishes, will be continual and thick as opposed to sparse and patchy. The other thing I did when I got closer to the edges was engaging the edge guard feature of my Scott's broadcast spreader by moving the bottom lever to the side. Alright guys, we just finished applying the seed. It is 11:20 Central Time. It's super late. I'm going to do a quick raking of the seed so it has good soil contact, so we make sure that way it's going to germinate. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today. I already started setting the water times and I determined how long would it be. At this point I'm doing at 4 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. Crossing fingers here that it would be very nice if we get some rain, hopefully after a week, so after the seed has already germinated, if that makes sense. So super excited. We finished. It's really late, but oh man, I'm gonna feel this tomorrow, but at the same time I'll be having the memory that the work is done and now we'll get to enjoy beautiful lawn. And yeah, I'm looking forward to show you guys the results and we'll keep you guys posted. Shalom, shalom. See you guys. Alright, so quick update for you guys. Here looking at the lawn and we have some germination. Let's look at it. Man, after all that sweat and tears, and today's day 11. So at the 11th day, we had like massive response and germination. So yeah, super excited for what is coming ahead of us in this lawn.